Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. You can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are taking an objective trader focused look at the Euro Scalper EA for MetaTrader 5. Now, based on the MQL5 Marketplace listing provided by developer Andrey Vasilenko, this expert advisor is available as a full purchase for 490 US dollars. It holds a version status of 2.4 with 5 activations available. Looking straight at the product page details, the developer notes that the EA is designed to trade in the direction of the current trend. All right. The core mechanism calculates the width of a trading range over a specific internal and over a specific interval, and evaluates price movements on short time frames. Now, if a price impulse exceeds a defined percentage of that trading range, the EA opens a position in the direction of the trend using a custom filtering technique to refine entries. A notable architectural feature mentioned on the page is that the algorithm uses explicit bar control, meaning that it trades exclusively on completed formed bars without relying on tick history inside the bar. From a technical standpoint, this helps keep testing execution efficient in open prices only mode and prevents performance discrepancies caused by tick data errors. Now, regarding requirements and parameters, the developer specifies that Euro Scalper is optimized for the M5 time frame on the Euro USD currency pair. The listing outlines a selection of adjustable input settings, including magic number for trade identification, percent, which defines the impulse value relative to the trading range, take percent, and stop percent to calculate take profit and stop loss as a percentage of the impulse, and then a hard stop parameter in points to cap maximum loss, trial for trailing stop management, and GMT offset to sync with broker server times, spread limit to avoid execution during high spread conditions, and then the money management settings where setting to 1 risks 0.1 lots per $1,000 of deposit. All right. Now, moving into the historical strategy tester reports provided for our MT5 evaluation. The backtest was run on Euro USD on the M5 time frame as recommended, covering January 1st, 2026 through July 23rd, 2026. The initial deposit was set at $10,000. All right, with a fixed lot size of 0.1 and fixed parameters, including an 80% impulse setting, 100% take profit, 48% stop percent, and a hard 38-point stop. Okay, so we can see the input settings here. So now looking at how the strategy played out on the historical chart history, the trade frequency is relatively low. Across nearly 7 months of market data, the EA only executed 16 trades, 16 total trades. This mirrors the developer's notes on the marketplace page that strong price impulses meeting the filter criteria do not occur frequently, averaging roughly 3 to 5 trades per month. Now, when evaluating position management during the test, trades were held for an average duration of about 3 hours and 51 minutes. with the shortest trade lasting 13 minutes and the longest stretching over 12 hours. We can see instances where positions were closed either via trailing stops or hard stop levels when the price impulse failed to sustain momentum. Okay, so analyzing the final metrics of this historical backtest period, the total net profit ended at negative $15.8 with a profit factor of 0.94 and an expected payoff of negative 99 cents per trade. Now, out of the 16 trades, 4 were profitable, yielding a 25% win rate, while 12 resulted in losses. Notably, 10 of those trades were long positions with only a 10% win rate. You can see. While 6 short trades achieved a 50% win rate. On the risk side, Drawdown remained exceptionally conservative throughout the test. The maximal equity drawdown was $144, representing just 1.44% of the account balance, while the maximum equity drawdown, while the maximum balance drawdown hit $125.5 or 1.26%. The largest single winning trade yielded $66.10, whereas the largest loss was over $43.70, or rather was exactly $43.70. Now, these historical tests highlight important characteristics of the EA's risk profile. While the net gain was slightly negative during this specific 7-month window, the drawdowns remained tightly controlled under 1.5%, which aligns with the conservative nature described by the developer. It is important to remember that historical backtesting reflects past market conditions and is only one part of evaluating an EA. Performance in live conditions will vary based on spread conditions, broker execution speed, slippage, and optimization settings. All right. So, in conclusion, Euro Scalper EA for MT4 and MT5 presents a strictly disciplined impulse trend approach with low trade frequency and built-in risk controls. It may be worth further evaluation for traders who prefer conservative low drawdown strategies or those looking to build a multi-EA portfolio, though its low win rate is in certain market phases requires patient risk management. I always recommend conducting your own extended testing, parameter optimization, and demo account testing before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching, and if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.